Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can change the interface language for your account on Trello.com. For instance, if you'd like to create workspaces and invite team members to workspaces, but in a different language than English, or maybe switch back to English. So let us show you really quickly how to do that. All you need to do, guys, is head over to Trello, log into your account. And what you want to do is click on your profile name or icon here in the top right corner. Choose settings from that drop-down menu, and that is going to redirect you automatically to your account on Atlassian. And here inside your account settings, make sure that you head over to account preferences here at the top. And here below, you will see a section called language and region. So all you need to do is simply click on that drop-down icon here, or a drop-down menu here. And from that menu, simply select the preferred language, like, I don't know, Norwegian or French or German. And that's it. You don't need to save anything manually. Simply head back to your board on Trello. If needed, refresh the page by pressing F5 here on Google Chrome, and the interface will be displayed in your selected language. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.